So I'm back again with the card trick called Mind Bender, aka Mind Twister. 3 key elements to remember, and here's the first. Have my 3 piles set up from the beginning. One way to try to facilitate the memorization of that is to always remember, make this middle pile a little bit thicker than the other 2 because this is the one that the volunteer is going to shuffle. If you concentrate on that, then you're more likely to remember. So the first step we do is we demonstrate how we're going to deal down piles, put the prediction face up, and then put the rest of the cards on top. Now that we demonstrated, we can actually do it. We're going to deal down between 3 and 7 cards until the volunteer tells us to stop. Let's say they say stop there. We put our prediction card face up right there. Now here's the middle that we talked about, which was the first thing to memorize. That we want to deal out our 3 piles first. We don't want to start with one big pile and start dealing with the 3 predictions. No, we want to have them already dealt out. So here's where they can shuffle as much as they want. And they can even do these steps between 3 and 7 cards. 1, 2. Let's say they stop there. Put that card on top and this here. And we're going to do the same thing for the 3rd. They say stop there. Put that card face up and then this on top. Now here's the second thing that we want to remember. First thing was to have our 3 piles divvied up from the very beginning. The second thing is that after we do our half of our trick, we're going to collect the cards counterclockwise. Then the third thing to remember is to flip the cards over. And we want to look for the first face down card. And we'll play it down like that. Do it for the second one as well. We're looking for a face down card. There we go. And finally, the third thing to remember is that we want to do our sneaky trick last. Or I should say, sneaky move last. We're looking for that last face up card. There, I just saw it. And that's the sneaky move I just did. Now, we have a little magic dust. We see an ace of club here. Let's see if we can find a match. And indeed we do. We see the other dark ace. Here we have a king of diamonds. Let's hope that this is the king of hearts. And indeed it is. Finally, we have the 5 of hearts here. And thanks to our secret tricky move, 5 of diamonds there. Mind bender, mind twister. It's easy when you know all 3 steps and all 3 tricks within the trick.